In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a note on Substack. Maybe you've posted a quick update, shared a thought, or tested something out in Notes, and now you want it gone. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to permanently delete a note from your Substack, and I'll also point out what to look for along the way so nothing feels confusing. First, you'll need to be logged into your Substack account. Open your browser and go to the Substack website, then sign in if you're not already. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main interface. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. In that panel, look for the option labeled Dashboard and click on it. This dashboard is your main control center, where you manage your publication and content. From inside your dashboard, keep your eyes on that same left-hand panel. Here, you'll see several sections that help you manage different parts of your publication. Find and click on the section called Website. When you click Website, Substack will open a new page that takes you to the public-facing version of your site, but with your account controls still available. Think of this as viewing your site the way your readers see it, while still having the tools you need to manage your content. Once your website view is open, scroll through your notes until you find the specific note you want to delete. Take a moment to double-check that this is definitely the right one, especially if you have several notes that look similar. When you've found it, move your cursor to the top right corner of that note. You should see a small More Options icon, typically represented by 3 dots. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option that says Delete and click it. As soon as you select Delete, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is Substack's way of making sure you don't remove something by accident. The pop-up will ask if you're sure you want to permanently delete the note. Remember, once you confirm this action, the note will be removed and you won't be able to bring it back. If you're absolutely sure you no longer need that note, go ahead and click Delete in the pop-up. After you confirm, the note will disappear from your website and you're done. That's all it takes to delete a note on Substack.